type of sleep, man, but we here. Y'all see the line, man. People is up early for the gym, bro. Get into it. Bro, that gym, bro, early morning is not for the weak, man. If you don't come to the gym playing, bro, don't even come for real. What y'all seen, bro, is not even a quarter of the stuff that was done today, bro. I couldn't even record for y'all pick up the camera too much, cause boy, I was just like, man, the gym was doing it to me too. Leg day, boy, it's not a fun day on a Monday, man. That boy stay blessed though. We gonna get this little education in, man. We finna pick up some skills, man. Try to better ourselves. Finna be going for HVAC. Y'all gonna get more clips of that if y'all wanna see more things concerning HVAC, some game on that. Y'all let me know, bro. Just came back, man. That's what I've been. That's what I wore today, really. They gonna give me the work boots. Can't go a day without them, bro. Catch y'all though. Hey, man, I really just been trying to be more of an asset than a liability, bro. Adding more things to my repertoire if you must. You feel me? The big words, dog, but man, like, if you got the opportunity, bro, to do more in life, bro, go ahead and do more. You feel me? If you got the chance to go start something, man, just do it, bro. Like, can't nobody tell you what to do and what to not do. You feel me? Like, I'm gonna be tired doing it, but I can sacrifice that little. You feel me? I could sacrifice that little tiredness to go do more in life. I could go to the gym early in the morning. I could go to school later. You feel me? I could do some more in the rest of the day. But don't let your flesh. Don't let your flesh take over for what you really want to do in life. Don't let it, bro. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV though. We still got the boots on, man, that y'all seen earlier. Them boys gave us boots and they said don't ever not wear them, bro. So, you feel me? We got on the work boots, man. But like I was saying though, bro, don't ever like sit there. ever just not wear them. Oh, what the hell? Them boys shooting back there. What's up with them? But man, if you got more to do in life, bro, just do it, man. Don't ever settle. You feel me? Don't ever settle, man, because everybody watch right now could do more in life, man. Everybody watching could do more in life, man. I wholeheartedly believe that, bro. If you want to do more, bro, if you want to be more of an asset to other people, to yourself, man, go ahead and do it, bro. Don't let life struggles and pain and all that hinder you from doing more. You feel me? It's all worth it at the end of the day, man. Mad traffic, bro, so I can't even really, you feel me? Can't do too much, but hey, man, y'all boys just sit there, bro. Keep God first, man. Keep going. Keep doing what you want to do in life, bro. Everything gonna get better. And the life get better. Keep pushing, bro. Oh, we go truck over there. We go a Land Rover truck trying to get active a little bit. He ain't trying to get active like that, though. Them boys is being active a little bit. Hey man, I'm gonna pick up this video with my next video. So y'all, if y'all watching this video right now, man, go look at the next one, bro. If y'all watching this early on like a Friday or Saturday, man, video dropping on Monday or Tuesday. Y'all boys lock in, man. Let's do it.